you are welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Math Success Point. This Math Success Point YouTube channel is very important to study mathematics, to clear the doubts, to solve each and every difficult problem by using the formula, concept and definition. Once you start to watch my videos, then you will feel that mathematics is very easy. That is why you be active. Don't feel lazy. Don't become lazy. If you will become lazy, it is very difficult to get achievement, because student life that is full of struggle. Without struggle, there is no student life. That is why you work hard in the field of education at least up to 25 years of your age. Let us come to the main point. But before starting the concept important points in the sets, students feel very difficult to see these definitions, because I have 37 years of teaching experience. That is why I know each and every part, each and every difficulty of the student. By seeing only the face, I can understand what difficulties my student having. That is why you see carefully. But before it, because I want to guide, to help to each and every child who is studying in the schools. That is why you like my videos, share my videos, press the icon button, so that you will get my each and every important video immediately as soon as I will post it. Okay? First of all, I will take subsets. That is a very important definitions I will discuss over here. I will discuss subset. Subset, I will take the example, suppose. With the help of example, I will take that A, I am taking a set. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me take 3 elements. Set B is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 elements are there in set. You see each and every element of set A, that is in B. Okay? 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here. That is why what you will say? Set A is a subset of B. If each and every element of set A is the element of set B, then you can say that A is a subset of B. क्या होगा भाई? What will be its symbol? See, A is a subset of B. That is the symbol of subset. किसका symbol है ये? Subset का symbol. Subset. I am writing so that you will not forget. A is a subset of B. कैसा subset है भाई? A B का जो subset हुआ है, ये क्या subset है? Proper subset. A is a proper subset of B. मैं लिख देता हूं यहां पर. A is a proper subset of B. Because each and every element of A lying in B, that is why A is a proper subset of B. But what will be B? भाई B भी B तो कुछ होगा ना. देखिए ये तो फर्स्ट केस हो गया. What will be B? Superset. B is a superset of A, because A के सभी एलिमेंट B में लाई करते हैं, तो A इसका सबसेट हो गया, प्रॉपर सबसेट हो गया. और B क्या हो गया भाई? B is a super set of A. A is a proper subset of B and B is a superset of A. देखिए A is a subset of B, but B is not a subset of A. You see the condition. Whether B is a subset of A? No, it is not a subset. That also I will write. Okay? यहाँ पे देखिए, all of you see, B, it is a subset of A. No, I will close it. B is not a subset. Is not a subset. B is not a subset of A. Once again, I am telling you, A is a proper subset of B and B is a superset of A. These things you must have to keep in mind, my dear student. Very important thing I am telling you. and every element of set A must be in the set B. That is why you can say that each and everything I have explained. How you will say B is a B is a superset of A and A is a proper subset of B. Let me take some more things. Okay. I have explained this thing also, which is very, very important, my dear student. That is why you see carefully. Okay? Because let me remove this one so that it will be easy for you. Some more examples I will write related that one. Okay? I told you the proper subset as well as the superset. I told you the superset because let me take some more examples for that one. Let A will be equal to, let me take some elements, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And let me take the set B, 2, 3, 1. I have taken 2 because very important thing I will explain over here. That is why see carefully. Okay? Because I want to explain the symbol if and only if, where the student feel very difficulty to understand. What is that symbol? You see, A and B, the elements of A and B are same. That is why what you will say, let me take, suppose 2 belongs to what? A. And 2 also belongs to 2 also belongs to B. देखिए यहाँ पर 2 belongs to A, but 2 is also belongs to B. A is a subset of B. देखिए ये कंडीशन देखिए भाई, यहाँ पर मैं लिख रहा हूँ 2 belongs to A and 2 also belongs to B. That is why you see the things, because I want to tell you. मैं इसको एक तरह से और भी लिख सकता हूं. देखिए 2 belongs to A implies that, because I will put the different symbols, 2 also belongs to B. Like that also you can write. Where you will put implies that symbol, I am telling you, implies that symbol. This is the implies that symbol. 2 belongs to A and 2 is also belongs to B. 2 belongs to A implies that 2 also belongs to B. That is why you see carefully. Now I will write. You see, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here. Then what does it mean? A is a subset of B. Okay? Let me take another thing. My dear student, all the elements, A is a subset of B. Okay? Because all the elements of B are in B. All the elements of A are in B. Okay? You see, all the elements of B, 2 is here, 2 is here, 1 is here, 3 is here. That is why what does it mean? B is also a subset of A. In this case, dear student, I am telling you the very important thing, try to understand, because the students commits the mistake to understand these things to write. They don't know, they write wherever they want these symbols, imply that symbol. You see, here you will put the imply that symbol. I explain each and everything regarding that one. A is a subset of B and B is a subset of B, then what happened? What happened? If, now let me remove now. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B. Set A will be equal to set B. These are the equal sets. कैसे set हो गए भाई? Equal sets. I told you already the definition of the equal sets in my previous videos. Okay? Then what does it mean? Both the sets are equal. A is equal to B. Both are equal. A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. जैसे मैंने बताया यहाँ पर 2 belongs to A implies that 2 also belongs to B. Then I want to explain now. क्या सिंबल है भाई? If and only if. Only if. या फिर ब्रैकेट में आप लिखेंगे II F. ठीक है? या फिर मैं सिंबल ले रहा हूं, देखिए भाई, और दे देता हूं, अदरवाइज यू विल कंफ्यूज. double F, or in both sides, that is implication. In both the sides there is an implication. Okay? Its meaning is if and only if. What does it mean if and only if? A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A. In both the sides there is the two implications. Then you can use this symbol. You can use this symbol. If and only if. Try to understand once again. If and only if, either you write if and only if, you write if. Its short form, if and only if, its short form is this one, or you write this symbol. Its name is, in two directions there is the implication. That is why you be careful regarding that one. I am going to emphasize towards it. And you can put this symbol. How you can put A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Then both the sets are equal, then you put this symbol. Okay? A. What does it mean? इसका मैं नाम लिख देता हूँ, अलग से लिख देता हूँ. See, this symbol. बड़ा सा लिख देता हूँ, so that you will understand. मतलब क्या हुआ भाई? Two ways implication. Two ways implication. Very important. Two ways. In both the sides there is the implication. That is why try to understand. ये तो एरो का सिंबल दिया ना मैंने. इसका meaning of this one. That is two-way implication. That is a very, very important. Okay? What does it mean? Every element of A in B, every element of B, that is it, A. That is why you can write this symbol now. Okay? You can use this symbol, which is a very, very important symbol. Okay? Then what does it mean? अब इसको मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूं? आप ऐसे चाहें तो ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. लीजिए. In both the directions implication, A is equal to B, B is equal to A. Right? Like that you can write. That is a very, very important thing. Because this symbol that I told you, यहाँ पे लिखा ना मैंने, both are equal sets. You can write in two ways implication. Okay? That is why you must have to keep in mind. So that you will not commit the mistake. They are the same sets. Okay, let me take the power set now. Power set I will take. But one thing more I will tell you before writing the power set. As I told you, let A will be equal to 1, 2, 3. My dear student. Then what does it mean? A is a subset of A. That is the important thing. Important points I am telling you. Tell me A is a subset of A, if not. Okay. Each and every element of A, 1, 2, 3, that is the element of A. Okay. That is why A is a subset of A. That is why each and every set will be the subset of itself. Each and every set, each and every set is a subset of itself. It is a subset of itself. Okay? And phi, I am writing one more thing. Phi means empty set. Empty set, you must have to write empty set. Phi means empty set. Is a subset of every set. Is a subset of every set. Each and every set. It will be the subset, phi. That is why try to understand clearly the meaning of it. Okay, let me proceed because I told you each and everything. Each and everything I am telling you. Let me take some more examples. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. And B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you each and everything. Tell me A is equal to B. A is equal to B. When it will be equal? A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A, then these sets will be equal. But यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? What happened? A is a subset of B and इसके सारे एलिमेंट इसमें है ना, बट B is not a subset of A. ये मैं बिगिनिंग में एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूं डिटेल में, दैट इज व्हाई यू सी केयरफुली. देन मैंने पहले बता दिया A is a proper subset of B. A is a proper subset of B, but B is not a subset of A. This thing B, और ये क्या होगा भाई? B क्या है? B is a superset of. देखिए दो कंडीशन मैंने लिखी है, दो कंडीशन बताई है, लिखना चाहो तो लिख लीजिए. A is a, पहले लिख चुका मैं, A is a proper subset of B. और second thing, B is a superset of A. That is why you should be clear. Although B is not a subset of A, I have given here each and everything. Okay, let me take the singleton set now. Singleton, उसमें भी स्टूडेंट थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी फेस करते हैं. सिंगलटन सेट let me take the example. Singleton set 2. If a set having only one element is a singleton set, because I will write the subset of each and every element of the given set. Okay, that is a very very important thing I am telling you. That is, have singleton set has only one element is called, or you can write a set has only is called singleton set. Each and everything I am explaining by and by so that you will understand, my dear student. Let me take now the important thing. Write each and every subset of, let me take the question, write the subset of each element, subset of the set A. A will be equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. My dear student, if you want to take the two elements, you can take. चलिए बता दीजिए, phi is the subset of each and every set. Solution. Phi is the subset of each and every set. Null set is the subset. Empty set is the subset of each and every set. Okay, phi. और क्या हो जाएगा भाई? सिंगलटन एलिमेंट ले लीजिए, अभी डेफिनेशन बताइए मैंने. और 3 ये हो गए, सिंगलटन हो गए, ये सारे सबसेट्स हैं, सबसेट ऑफ ए. नेक्स्ट 1, 2 ले सकते हैं आप, 2, 3 ले सकते हैं, और 1, 3. और पॉसिबिलिटीज शुड बी देयर. 1 के साथ में 2 ले लिया, 1 के साथ में 3 भी ले लिया मैंने, 2 के साथ में 3 ले लिया, और 1 के साथ में 2 तो आएगा. देखिए 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, एवरीथिंग आई हैव एक्सप्लेन. नेक्स्ट विल बी, बता दीजिए नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you see how many subsets will be there. See here, number of elements of A will be how many? 3. Subset of A, tell me, subsets of A will be equal to 2 to the power n, and that is what? Number of elements. यहां पे लिख देता हूं, n number of elements of set A. सेट A के एलिमेंट्स कितने हैं भाई बता दीजिए? 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं, n की वैल्यू तो 3 हो गई, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स 3. तो मैं क्या करूं यहां पे 2 to the power 3 लिख देता हूं. 2 to the power 3 कितना होता है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? 8 सबसेट्स शुड बी देयर ऑफ दिस वन. हमने कितने लिखे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets are there. All possible subsets I have given over here, my dear student. This is very important topic. As I told you, I am discussing. Then what will be the power set? Generally, the question asked related with the subsets and power set in the competitive examination, whether it may be your NDA examination or your JEE examination or any other kind, banking, whatever it may be. That is why see carefully. Okay, let me take the power set. Power set मैं ऊपर ही ले लेता हूँ, my dear student, क्योंकि I will use power set. Let me take the power set. I will use over here power set. Power set क्या होता है? Power set that will be the subset of each. Power set that will be the set of each and every subset of the given set. That will be the power set. Power set, it is to be denoted by P. Power set of A. Power set of A. Same element I will write. Power set of A. Okay. As I told you, power set means having each and every subset of A. क्या क्या सबसेट थे भाई, अभी तो लिखे बनने 5 लिखा है ना, 1 2 3 और क्या क्या लिखा है भाई, 1 1 कोमा 2 कोमा 1 कोमा 3 और क्या क्या लिखा है भाई, 2 कोमा 3 और 1 2 3. These are the elements of power set. What are the elements of the power set? Power set is the set of all the subsets. Once again I am telling you. Power set हिंदी में भी बता देता हूं. Power set क्या होता है? A के जितने एलिमेंट हैं उनका सबके सबसेट्स लिख लीजिए, उन सबको कहां पे क्लोज कर दीजिए, ब्रास में क्लोज कर दीजिए. These are the elements of power set. These are the elements of power set. Okay, you must have to keep in mind this thing. Okay, let me take the things. अब power set के elements क्या क्या होंगे? What will be the elements of power set? I am telling you the very important thing. इसको याद रखना पड़ेगा आपको. You must have to keep in mind. मैं थोड़ा ऊपर लिखूंगा इसको. देखिए A के जो एलिमेंट है उनको याद रखना, क्योंकि हो सकता है आपको यहां दिखाई ना दे. ठीक है, सभी चीजें आप रखना, याद रखना. पावर सेट. अब मैं रखूंगा यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ पावर सेट. एक नंबर में तो ये क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है भाई आपका, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द पावर सेट. इट विल बी इक्वल टू 2 to the power m. और m क्या है? m क्या है? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट A. सेट A के लिए तो लिखा हम लोगों ने. ओके, दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? m इज इक्वल टू कितना है भाई? 3. 2 to the power 3 will be equal to 8. 8 elements are there in the power set. काउंट कर लीजिए, 8 एलिमेंट्स हैं पावर सेट के अंदर. दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द पावर सेट. तो क्या करेंगे, इसकी क्या लिखेंगे? इफ number of elements of the set A is equal to m. I am writing the standard definition, is equal to m. Then what will happen? The number of elements of power set of A will be equal to 2 to the power m. Where m क्या है भाई? m is, that will be the number of elements of set A. देखिए भाई, each and everything regarding the power set I have explained by taking the example. मेरे ख्याल से it will be easy for you to understand the power set. इतने पावर सेट होंगे भाई, मैंने अभी इसको प्रूव ही कर दिया. ओके, चलिए आप एक चीज लिख लीजिए, एक एग्जांपल मैं दे रहा हूं आपको. ओके, राइट ऑल द राइट एग्जांपल, राइट ऑल द पावर सेट. राइट द पावर सेट, ऐसा कर लीजिए, राइट द पावर सेट ऑफ द सेट. व्हाट सेट? A is equal to 1 and 2. 1. अब इसके सबसेट बता दीजिए, सबसेट ऑफ ए, सबसेट्स ऑफ ए आर क्या क्या सबसेट्स हैं भाई? 1 सिंगलटन एलिमेंट और 2 भी आ जाएगा, और माय डियर स्टूडेंट 1 2 भी आ जाएगा। अभी अभी मैंने बताया ईच एंड एवरी सेट इज ए सबसेट ऑफ इटसेल्फ। ओके, अब कितने सबसेट आ गए भाई? 4 सबसेट्स। तो पावर सेट कितने हो जाएंगे? पावर सेट, नंबर ऑफ पावर सेट ऑफ पावर सेट सबसे पहले पावर सेट लिख लीजिए। लेट मी राइट द पावर सेट ऑफ ए। इट विल बी इक्वल टू, क्लोज कर दीजिए, 5 1 ये इनको याद रखना भाई, अदरवाइज इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स। You see, 5 singleton element 1, singleton element 2, singleton element double element 1 2. These are the elements of the power set. कितने हो गए भी number of elements of the power set? How many elements will be there? 2 to the power m. और m की वैल्यू कितनी है भाई बता दीजिए? 2। देख लीजिए आप लोग, elements of set, elements of set A. Clearly I am going to write 2 to the power 2, that will be 4. There are 4 elements. Count कर लीजिए, 1 2 3 4. 4 elements are there in the power set. Easily you can write the power set, okay, of the given set. That is why I do hope that my concept that will be clear to you. Concept of the subsets, singleton set or power set. My dear students, once again I request you like my videos and share my videos and press the icon so that my videos will reach to you as early as possible. Thank you to all of you.